So a few months back, I was in Jodhpur, Rajasthan, and I was shocked to know that how many arts and craft manufacturers are there in Jodhpur. They don't even let you go inside their workspaces. That means they have completely locked it, high security. So I wanted to know what exactly is there inside. I was curious because a lot of arts and craft, especially the handcrafted sculptures, statues, idols, these things gets exported to the global market from there. And then I found that it is actually making so much money that most of these people there, they have got Rolls Royce, BMW, Audi, Mercedes, and the most expensive cars. For such a place, which people do not even know about. And they have got this kind of luxury, and that's their own hometown, and they're doing business all internationally. Then I found there is Thar International Port there itself. So all the products that they manufacture there, they directly get exported from this port. So there's a dry port, it's a desert port, and this entire thing made me feel that what we are doing. And that's where I found the business opportunity. That why not? I find out a lot of these manufacturers there who do not know how to export. Not everyone is doing. A lot of these people are just dependent on somebody who is a big supplier who is saying, either he is sitting in Dubai or somebody is sitting in some foreign country and they are giving the orders and they are doing this. So there's a big supply chain. So when I started my e-commerce brand, Shripur, the first thing first I did was to break the supply chain and to directly support those people who are artisans, the arts and craft manufacturers, sculptures they are making. But profits they are not getting. So I found one interesting fact that what if we start an e-commerce store, list all these different arts and craft which are antique, which are beautiful, and list them with the price that is deserving, and start doing the sales. And this has started working for me. I'll show you my own e-commerce store. You can see that how much revenue I'm generating in this. And I also run Indian Institute of E-commerce. I'm also an EdTech investor. I help startup entrepreneurs like you to get started with their e-commerce business. I give mentorship. I previously worked with Alibaba Group China. So I have complete understanding of import, export, global trade, plus also worked with Amazon. So with all that experience working with the top e-com companies, plus running my own e-commerce store, and more importantly, being the chairman of Indian Institute of E-commerce, I have got that idea that how can I help you so that you can get started with the e-com business today, even without you investing big amount of money. And this can be done so easily, because I know that somebody is a working professional, they don't get time. They don't have that much money and capital that is required to start a business. So I have already done that groundwork. So I'll give you the startup store, which is a plug and play store builder, mentorship, database of buyers, suppliers, and ongoing support, digital marketing support. So you can start getting sales. So let's explore this opportunity right away. So I want you to be with the end of this video because this will give you an eye-opener strategy how to build a successful business. Sculptures, statues, these are some of the best-selling products in internet. India has got beautiful products like this, and these products can be as low as about $100 and can go up to maybe $10,000, $100,000. And these sculptures are good for home decor, for hotels, for lawns, gardens, and so many places. Even cities nowadays are getting smart city planning and they are looking for such kind of sculptures. So you can have the listing of all these sculptures. Now, how do we get that is through suppliers. Of course, we cannot have everything. We can't manufacture, right? We are in e-commerce business. We are into exports. So what you see here is statues for home decor. And you can see these listings are already there. 2000 bought the last month. Interesting, right? At $25. Same way you see this one, 200 sales the last month, $21. Now, assuming that you have a few manufacturers and you can list about 700 to 1,000 products like this into your e-commerce store, and you can expect about 50 to 300 sales for each, you can still make easily crore rupee plus more than that in the export of such kind of products only from one e-commerce store builder, that is Amazon. I'm just talking about Amazon right now. And the products are really expensive. They're selling at this amount and you can get the same products at much lower prices. We'll find out how do we find out them because I have contacts of the suppliers. Now you see this 1900 good reviews at 1800 rupees. So just calculate and see that how much revenue is it. Easily everything is making a good amount of profit, like few lakh rupees of profits. Now you see this one, Lazada.com. This is Singapore-based website, and interestingly, in Lazada you can see Ganesha in this and Gautam Buddha. So when you write elephant sculpture also, you find a lot of these are like Indianized kind of design, isn't it? So I feel that these designs are there in Japan. This is Japan's website. And this is noon.com. This is Dubai's website. So everywhere you can see these all products we can get manufactured in India. These are mostly Indian manufactured products like Krishna. What has Krishna to do with, for example, in Lazada, Singapore? So you can get started with a business like this where you can just have these listings for once, and these products will always be in demand because they are part of some kind of home decor as well as antique and a forever kind of product. These are recession proof products. People will keep buying who have to buy. So what you're going to get from me is an all-in-one program. You'll master the art of digital marketing and online sales with my ready-made plug-and-play e-commerce store. This is my e-commerce store where I have done my sales. I have already been working and I have got more than 8,000 plus products in my e-commerce store, and it is getting sold regularly. So same way how I am doing it and how I am listing my products and selling, same exact strategies I can teach you so that you can also grow your e-commerce business easily. Look at the softwares and tools which I'm going to give you. These are worth about 7-8 lakh rupees, where you can do SEO, social media marketing, AI, digital marketing, everything integrated into a single program. And the best part is you can have your own domain name. You can directly add the staff members into your own e-commerce store. You can add payment of your bank account so customers can directly pay. And you can also get AI, search engine optimization, and you can have multi-language support so that your website can be in multiple languages. So this all is included into this e-commerce store builder, which I'm giving you. It's a premium e-commerce store builder so that you can simply get started with the business. Now, the program that I'm giving you is fully valid, globally accredited. This is an online program. It's a mentorship on e-commerce where I'm teaching you about e-commerce. I'm teaching you about digital marketing. I'm teaching you about sales. I'm teaching you everything so that you can build a successful e-commerce business very easily without any technical knowledge. And apart from that, you're also getting this government certifications, not just one, but 17 certifications with live interactive online training. This will be a pure online one-on-one support and training that I'll be giving you. So the e-commerce store, the operations management support, the digital sales, and also the training. Everything is included in this all-in-one program. I'll be giving you this program access with not just me, but other mentors and guides will also be there to support you. So even if you're a student or working professional entrepreneur, you can join this program. And the best is we have always been news for the program related to e-commerce. So this program, Certified E-commerce Professional, is going to transform your life because this is a registered program. It's fully valid, and this comes with lifetime access, lifetime update, and lifetime support. So even if you're an entrepreneur, job seeker, working professional, you can do this program, get access of this all-in-one 17 certification program, learn about how to make serious profits out of it. Even if you're looking for getting a job also, you can apply for that also. You can see that for placements, a lot of people who are working professionals, they join us to join this program. Many successful reviews are there with the students and entrepreneurs who have successfully built their e-commerce businesses. So we have got this complete end-to-end program where different niche business opportunities we are giving you. So this is going to be an all-in-one opportunity because I know that some of you want to just learn about e-commerce, some of you just want to start an e-commerce to just explore. So many of you are already working. So do this program to at least have your own e-commerce store while you are still working, and you're going to get all these ebooks, white papers, case studies, infographics, different format of contents, and these are going to have regular updates and support. So IIC's program is fully affiliated, accredited by top companies like Amazon, Alibaba, Government of India, and these are some of the top entrepreneurs and experts who have been, learning from IIC's team, and this is our work which we have done. But the institute is purely online. We are giving one-on-one online training because the e-commerce training has to be done regularly. So it's always better that you can get started with the business that you can always do anytime, any doubts you are having, anytime in future for lifetime, you can always contact our team and they will be here to assist you regarding e-commerce. So all that you are seeing right now, this Indian Institute of E-commerce and its program are fully valid, accredited, and you are going to get one-on-one mentorship support. So get started with an e-commerce business like I'm already doing it. Let me show you my analytics of 30 days and also my lifetime analytics. This is all real time. So you can get started with a business that is having high profit margins and global demand so that you can continue with your job, continue with your work, whatever you're doing, and get started with a business that can make you great profits. So now let's explore how much is the cost of such business opportunity. So you can easily make about 50, 60 lakhs in such business, and you can do more also. People are doing. I already told you that when I went to Jodhpur, I saw that most of these manufacturers are having big cars and big life and very settled and peacefulness in their face that makes me feel that, okay, so this is a niche where you can make some serious profits. So I'll give you the supplier's contact, I'll give you the entire end-to-end e-commerce business opportunity, store builder, and then marketing support. I am going to give you this as a model which has got the database of buyers and suppliers, e-commerce store, mentorship, all included in the single program. So you have a choice to get started with this program that is called the Plug and Play e-commerce store builder. This is going to be ready-made e-commerce export business opportunity. Everything as plug and play. Just get started with the sales and start generating revenue. All that what you're seeing in this program will be included. You simply have to click on enroll now. This amount you can go for credit card based EMI up to 12 months. This will come around 5,000 rupees per month or less, 4,800 to be approx. So you can simply get started with this business opportunity today. So once it starts generating more revenue than how much you are making money in your job, you can get full time into this and get started with your business career in e-commerce with IIC.